Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this is going to be episode 1 of, I don't even know how many, of building the 240. So, yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so these are all the parts. You know, there's the clutch, and everything, the flywheel, everything's there. There's some other parts here, filter, hoses, other stuff in there. Somewhere, I think actually that might be the standalone in there. Then, yeah, a lot more stuff in there. Yeah, but today we're just gonna be doing the clutch. So I gotta take out the transmission, drive shaft, all that. Yeah, I guess let's get under the car now. So those first two clips I recorded was like at 9 in the morning, and now it's like 2 in the afternoon, because right after I recorded those two clips it started raining. So yeah, now it's 2 and it's stopped raining and whatnot, and totally forgot about taking out the shifter, and so I'm gonna do that right now. But one thing I noticed here, hold up, I noticed right just by taking off the trim and this right here it's supposed to have 4 bolts at each corner, and it only has 2, and they're just finger tight. I literally can just take them out with my finger. Hold up. Yep. Yep, literally finger tight, so you know that's good to see. So yeah, first you gotta take out the shifter, and yeah, so let me do that real quick and I'll be back. Alright guys, so I finished taking out like the shift boot and everything. So now it's just that. I don't really need to take off the whole shifter, because I'm just gonna be dropping down the transmission. So yeah, now I gotta get under the car. I put it in gear so that the drive shaft doesn't move when I try taking it out. So yeah, I'll be under the car in a sec. Alright, hey guys, so I'm under the car now. I'm gonna be taking off the drive shaft. There's 4 bolts at the diff, and then there's 2 bolts right here that you can't see. Right here, I'll show you. Right here, there's 2 bolts right here. That I gotta take out, like, that hold the drive shaft up, because it's 2-piece, and then just gotta take it out from the trans over there, and then yeah, that should be, you know, that should be it for the drive shaft. And then eventually I gotta take out the trans mount, the bell housing bolts, and I gotta take out the starter, I think, because it's in the way. Yeah, the starter. Yeah, that'll be it. Also, I just realized that the the lens is probably making so much noise, just auto-focusing, so my bad. But yeah, I'm gonna do that right now, so. You know, I think I need to mention that you might be seeing some kittens in the background. So, yeah, don't pay too much attention to them, I guess. And, I mean, I guess you can if you really like kittens. Ow. Well, I need to put it in neutral quick, move the move the drive shaft, and then put it back in gear. So I'll do that real quick. I am back. There we go. I got it. Yep. Well, there's my drive shaft on me. Smells like oil. Alright guys, so I started taking out the electrical connectors. You know, just getting it ready to drop down. But while I'm down here, I actually need to take off this section of the exhaust because I'm going to put a wideband in it. I gotta weld the wideband into it. So yeah, that's for another episode. But yeah, I gotta do that. Yeah, so really, I was just looking at it. It's pretty simple to take out the transmission. It's just yeah, there's only a few electrical connectors, and then you just got to take out the trans mount and then the bell housing bolts, and that's pretty much it. But you know, then I have to take out the old clutch because that's, you know, what I'm replacing with the new clutch. So yeah. Yeah, right now I'm going to try and take out this part exhaust right now because it's going to be in the way, like, for a couple of bolts on the bell housing. Dude, I don't know if you can see it, but behind me, actually yeah, you can kind of, but there's two kittens right there. And they're like wrestling or whatever. They're fighting kind of. But yeah, so I'm gonna take off these bolts. I don't even know what they are. Oh, 14th as well. Okay, that's good. But I need another one to hold on the other side. Okay. Alright, well, I'll be back with the another 14 and then take off this section. Yeah. Alright. Alright, hey guys, so it's been like 2 days since those first clips were recorded. You know, 4th of July happened, so I didn't really have much time to record them. But so in those last clips you saw that we took out the transmission. Mainly my dad and I asked him for help on one thing. So you can't even see, hold up. There we go. Okay, so yeah, so my dad pretty much took it out himself, and after he took it, or when he was taking it out, he told me that he saw, or the clutch I had was pretty much, it looked pretty new. And so after he took it out, I got under and I checked it, and then I realized it was the same clutch I had ordered new, so that's kind of painful. But I think I'm still gonna check how like used it is, because the guy I bought it from said that he didn't install it. He just said he installed all the turbo stuff. So yeah. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna take out the clutch and see how it looks. I have some ARP bolts that I need to put in, or not need to, but I want to put in, so that's what I'm trying to do. So yeah, I'll be under the car. Alright guys, so I'm under the car now, and I guess I was gonna show you guys the clutch it had. So as you can see here, right there, it says competition clutch, which is the same brand that I had got, right? But it's just, you know, but it's also, you know, the whole damn clutch that's the same. So you know, that's good. So what I want to do is, oh my bad, you can't even see, hold up, it's too dark. So what I want to do is I want to take it all out and see how used the clutch is, and see if it's worth changing it to the new one or not. But well, yeah, so I'm gonna do that real quick off camera, because I'm pretty sure I already have way too much footage. So so yeah, I'll be back when I finish doing that. So yeah. Yeah, I kind of, yeah, so basically I finished taking out the clutch and everything, and then I replaced the main seal, and then I cleaned up the transmission because it was pretty, you know, I had a lot of oil and stuff or whatever. Yeah, but editing this video, I kind of realized that it's pretty much all over the place. So, and it's pretty much kind of scuffed. So I think I'm just gonna leave it off here. I don't need to do any. I didn't replace the clutch. I'm gonna sell the new one. Hopefully, try getting some of my money back, or most of it at least, so I can buy, or so I can continue saving up for the rest of the parts I need. I still need some new rotors, hubs, and rims and tires to get it driving. Like, those are the last parts I need to end up having, or, you know, to finish it. So yeah. Next episode, I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do, I don't know yet. We'll see what happens, but yeah. For now, I'm just leaving it off here on this note. I guess I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't know if you guys will, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.